Hi, I'm Teray McCluskey, and I used to be the bad guy in my family because in my previous job, I worked in pricing strategy at a large pharmaceutical company, which meant my job was to literally raise prices on your medications. And every year at Thanksgiving dinner, my grandma would just let me have it because the price of her diabetes medications always went up. Now I'm committed to lowering medical prices for millions of Americans. Right here in Seattle, we're building the Expedia for medical care. We're gonna help people like Fernanda. She's one of the 200,000 residents in King County alone without health or dental insurance. Now, last year, she had a major toothache and needed to see a dentist. But first, she needed to find an affordable dentist. So she went online. And while she found rating sites and review sites for doctors and dentists, she couldn't find any pricing information. Even when she would call the dentist offices directly, they couldn't give her a straight answer as to how much her routine visits would cost. So she went to a nearby dentist, who ended up charging her $1,500 for a couple of procedures. Now, what she couldn't have known at the time is that a few blocks away, a similarly credentialed dentist would have done the exact same procedures for nearly $1,000 less. That's 2 months' rent. You see, in healthcare, prices are hidden from us. They're actually hidden from us deliberately. And the problem is walking to the wrong doctor or dentist office can cost you hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars. That's insane. Okay, we've reached a point in this country where we're afraid to go to the doctor and the dentist. But we're not afraid of the dentist's drill, we're afraid of their bill. And even Obamacare doesn't immune us from the high cost of healthcare, because next year, over 35 million Americans will continue not to have any form of health insurance. Now, even if you do have health insurance through Medicaid, Medicare, or a private plan, it doesn't cover things like vision or dental or a host of other routine medical services. Here's how OkCopay can help. So if you have no insurance at all, if you're on a high deductible health plan, or if you have gaps in coverage, you come to our website and let us know what procedure you're looking for and your zip code, and we'll show you all the providers in your area with their prices. Now, this is data that we've collected and verified ourselves, so it's extremely accurate. But it's not just about prices. At the end of the day, you want to find a great doctor at a phenomenal price. So for most of our 72 procedures, you can also filter on the basis of a provider's board certifications, years of experience, and coming next month, Yelp reviews as well. What we're doing is we're uncovering major price differences in healthcare and making it public. And this is just a small sample of the price spread you'll see within a 10-mile radius of where you're sitting tonight. But our secret sauce is that we have verified pricing information. So before OkCopay, the only way you can get this data was to look up your billing code, your billing procedure code, and then get on the phone and call every doctor and dentist in your area one by one. We make money in two ways. The first is advertising. So we're connecting patients with doctors and dentists who want to reach them. So to give you an example, we have 350 listings, free listings for dentists in King County alone. We're going to target about 10% of them for paid advertising. The second way we generate revenue is by licensing our database to existing Find a Doctor websites. We already have the largest database in the country for medical prices. And what we're going to do is we'll enable other sites through partnerships, so we'll be able to gain scale quickly, maximize our impact, and grow rapidly. We have the team to make this happen. We have strong academic backgrounds and deep experience in healthcare, software development, and big data. And major support from major organizations. They already believe in our social innovation. And we have some great early traction. So in 9 US cities, we've already verified over 100,000 prices. In 18 months, we've helped over 35,000 people find affordable health care. That translates to $3 million in savings for health care. With your help, in the next 2 years, we'll add 25 additional cities. At that point, we'll reach 1.4 million people, and our users will be saving over $100 million annually. We're building a unique business in Seattle. We're going to help thousands of people here locally and millions of people worldwide, like my grandma, find affordable health care and not go broke trying to pay for it. Thank you.